So I recreated Subway Surfers using Unity game engine. I'll be explaining about the game mechanics and how everything works using some very cool animations. So let's start the video. Let's see how the game mechanics works. We have a player and we have a platform. We know Subway Surfers has 3 tracks. Here, the track's z-axis value is shown in yellow and the player's z-axis value is shown in red. I want my player to change tracks. So if I press the right arrow key, it will add +3 to his z-axis value. And if I press left arrow key, it will subtract -3 to his z-axis value. Suppose if a player wants to move from track 2 to track 1, I need to press left arrow key which is -3. And from 1 to 2, I need to press right arrow key which is +3. And with that, let's see how it works. And it works perfect. In order to make my player jump, I just need to add some force on y-axis. But how does a player move? And the answer is, he doesn't. Instead, we make the platform move towards the player. And for crouching, we are just gonna resize the player's collider. As you can see, our player is just a dumb looking capsule, so let's change him. By the way, I found this amazing models in Sketchfab, so you guys can check it out. Okay, but something is missing. He's just a dumb guy doing a T-pose. So let's give him some animations. So I found some animations on Mixamo, and after implementing some animations, my player is running, rolling, and so on. But how does Subway Surfers has infinite platforms? It can be done with procedural generation. As you can see, here's a player and there's an invisible trigger. So whenever the player passes through this trigger, a new platform is generated right in front of him. And here's another view. As you can see, the player is passing through the trigger, a new platform is created right in front of him. By the way, I found this amazing tutorial for procedural generation from
Legal Waters taught us.
So you guys can check it out. When speaking of procedural generation, I had a question. Does Subway Surfers spawn obstacles randomly, or is it spawning obstacles of predefined sections? So what I meant by predefined sections is that specific obstacle patterns as shown in this example are designed to repeat as the level progresses. So is it predefined or is it random? Maybe the answer is both. So what I did is, I created some predefined sections like this, and I created a random generation script which will eventually create random obstacles on some empty platforms. Since I don't want my PC to burn due to these infinite platforms and to optimize my game, I created a destroy wall trigger which will eventually destroy all the platforms once it comes in contact. By the way, here's a bonus tip. The other side of the game doesn't have any textures in order to optimize the game. Since I want the train to move towards the player, I just implemented the platform moving script to the train. See, I wanted to gradually increase the difficulty in the game, so what I did is, I created a speed manager script which will eventually increase the speed of the moving platforms over a certain amount of time. And let's spice it up.
You're too late, Alex. You're too late.
And for the score, I just increased it on the basis of time. With that, it's time for some gameplay.